Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2022 Wave 4. We have Chase Elliott's UniFirst Next Gen car. On the back, you get other next gens like Martin Truex Jr., Austin Cindric, Cole Custer, and Harrison Burton, and more. Let's get Chase Elliott out of his box. So here is the sticker, UniFirst Uniform Service Solutions, a similar side logo from his car, and obviously the classic number Black 9. So here is Chase Elliott's car. So the UniFirst car, it has still the same green color. I'm not sure what kind of color green it is. I thought it was like aqua green, but it's more of a darker green, like a little bit of a yellow, like a little bit of a green. Obviously, the UniFirst printing above here, Uniform Service Solutions, the Chevrolet plus the Chevrolet logo, which is on here, which is usually down here on the side, but it looks like on this scheme it has it on top. The 9 is moved to the side, along with the UniFirst is now moved over here, where Luminar and Napar take place over this side area. Obviously, the green scheme is still the same unique area, still in the same area, except the numbers are now near more to the front wheels. So obviously, the green is on the bottom of the back. UniFirst, the new backlights. Napa Auto Parts takes over the trunk. The double diffuser. The front of the Chevy Camaro, a new rounder hood. I'll give you Chase Elliott a 360 look. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.